This is the video inspection on the Volvo T3 S60. Quickly start the vehicle. Vehicle starts smooth. There is a minor clunk sound coming from the engine when starting the vehicle. Steering wheel was smooth as well, no pulling experience while driving in a straight line. No funny noises were heard while braking. As well as the vehicle accelerates smooth. Vehicle is automatic, so smooth to all the gears when need to. Quickly have a look at the engine of the vehicle. No oil leaks or any reworks visible. Minor ticking sound coming from this section. Quickly have a look at the interior of the vehicle. Radio does function. All speakers does function as well. All interior lights is working, as well as all the necessary warning lights is on. Aircon does blow cold and hot when need to. Parking sensors does work as well. When approaching an object it does make warning noises. Door panel in excellent condition, as well as the passenger seat. Gas is in excellent condition as well. Vehicle has a full service history. Driver seat in a good condition as well. Driver door panel also in excellent condition. Full agency service history as mentioned. Service book in excellent condition as well. Have a look at the rear seats. Door panel in excellent condition. Leather seats also in excellent condition as well. Quickly have a look at the exterior of the vehicle. Start with the driver door panel, which is in excellent condition. Minor fair wear and tear, barely noticeable. A minor chip on the rim. Tire tread in excellent condition. Formal tread. Front bumper in a good condition as well. Minor stone chips, barely noticeable. As well as a few deep scratches on the passenger side. Minor stone chip. Repairs noted, slightly misaligned over here. Passenger fender in excellent condition, as well as the tire. Multiple scratches on the rim. Passenger door in excellent condition as well. Some minor chips on the edge of the door. Barely noticeable popping. Rear door in excellent condition as well. Some minor scratches on the rim, as well as some deep ones. Tire tread in good condition. 3mm tread. Rear bumper in excellent condition. Few minor stone chips here in the center of the bumper. Bonnet in a good condition. Rear right fender in a good condition as well. Minor scuff marks on the door, and few chips on the edge of the door. Barely noticeable popping over here. Overall the vehicle is in excellent condition. Full service history. Tools is present, however the jack is not present. But overall the vehicle is in excellent condition. There's some minor fair wear and tear on the vehicle. Needs a buff and polish. Overall in excellent condition.